Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to set your Samsung washer on self-clean. It's super simple. All you have to do is turn it on. Go ahead and click the self-clean plus button here. And then all you have to do is hit start. It is really that simple. They do make little cleaner tabs for your washer. They look like just regular laundry detergent tabs. You go ahead and throw one of those in there. You could also go ahead and just run it just on the self-clean cycle, which I'm going to do. But it is also a really good idea to make sure you're throwing in at least a couple hand towels or something. You never want to run your washer completely empty because that's how the drum gets misaligned and you'll end up with a washer that kind of does the wibble wobble. So a couple things in the washer just to keep it running properly. Go ahead and hit start and let it do its thing for a couple of hours, and it is really as easy as that.